Apple snow. Ingredients: 6 large apples, peeled, cored and chopped. 3 tablespoons water. 1 cup white sugar. ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. ½ teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 egg white. Preparation: in a large saucepan or Dutch oven, combine apples and water and cook, covered, over low heat, until frothy, 15 to 30 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in sugar, cinnamon, cloves and vanilla. Let cool. In a medium bowl, whip the egg white until stiff peaks form. Fold into the cooled apple mixture. Serve.